Welcome to Easy Jobs. Today we'll learn how to manage your team's visibility and user permissions to create a secure and efficient workflow. Let's get started. First, log into your Easy Jobs account with your credentials. From your Easy Jobs dashboard menu, navigate to Settings, then in Company Setup, click on the Manage Users tab. Here you will find a listing of all the team members in your organization. Now simply choose the user or team member whose role and permissions you want to update. You will now be in the user management settings. Here, change the user's role and fine-tune their specific permissions. When you select a new role, the permissions below may update automatically. Toggling buttons on each feature customizes these permissions further. Once you are satisfied with the settings, make sure to hit the update button to save your changes. Now let's try to add a new team member with customized permissions by clicking on the Add a New User button. Add the user email and assign a role. Then customize the permissions by enabling or disabling the toggle button, access needed on each feature according to your needs. Here, hit the Save button to send an invitation to the new member to accept to be on your recruitment team in Easy Jobs. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips. See you next time.